Something also that you're going to be using a decent amount is going to be these little work-in boxes. These are what's known as LV1s. I just call them work-ins though. Listen, these are different than the regular electrical receptacles electrical gang boxes, because you do not technically need those that have the backing and all of the extra stuff on a low voltage cable, since we're not considered a major fire hazard. What you will end up using a lot of the time, to measure these things out, is actually use the box itself. So here, I'll show you how to do that. So in these cases, what you'll end up doing is you'll actually end up just taking your knife, measure itself directly to this, and you're trying to go for this top section right here. So I'm just going to set that and score it right there. But I actually want to go a tad higher than that because of the caulk line down here. So I'm just going to go, we're going to eyeball it and say about right there, because your faceplate's always going to have some extra space on it. And then we're going to take this, set it across. Distance-wise, it looks good. So what we'll do is we'll set this right here, and we're going to score it from one side to the other. Once they're right like that, take it, mark it down. So one, and oh, that needs to go a little further over. About there. And then the other thing you do is you take your drywall saw. This is one that I actually personally really like from Milwaukee, because it actually folds up like that, and this just takes basic Sawzall blades. So that way you can pick. So that way you don't have to keep refreshing it any. So you can because all you got to do is hit this, assuming it actually wants to push. There we go. So yeah, it's your basic Sawzall blade. So I'll go ahead and get this cut out, and we'll go ahead and put the box in. All right, now that we've got all that cut out and the Smurf tube trimmed back, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna end up sticking this in and drilling on these two screws, so that way it goes up like this. Let's see, what that will do is it will catch it behind the drywall, and that's what actually holds it in place. So we're gonna move this back. Make sure this gets behind the drywall, because this is actually a double, they actually double drywall this. And we're just going to tighten this up. Get one tight. And there. Now it's actually firm in there.